All right, let me quickly show you why I decided to go with the Super Cubes freezer cubes over other brands when I was picking out freezer cubes for my meal prep. Now, this is the 2 set of the 1 cup cubes, but they do come in just a 1 set if you only need 1 of them. Now, first off, the lids themselves are harder plastic. They're not flimsy at all. So they do give you an airtight seal, which is not only great for protecting your food while it is freezing, but it also limits those smells in the freezer. And I do have meatloaf in here that is not frozen yet. And you can see, like, I'll just hold it by the cubes. That lid does snap on tight, so the food in there is not going anywhere. The other great feature about this is they do have markings both for milliliters inside and for the cups. But even though this is a 1 cup portion, they do have the half cup marking in there. So if you're looking for something that's versatile, you can buy the 1 cup and you can use it for half cup or 1 cup. And I do own the half cup tray. So just to kind of give you a little bit, this is buffalo chicken, like chicken salad type mixture, frozen. This is a 1 cup cube and this is a half cup cube. And so if you want to, the half cup would just freeze, like long ways this way, but half of this block. But if you turn a half cup block that would normally sit up, so the half cup thing is just kind of skinnier and taller, but they are the same height. So if you was to turn the half cup cube width-wise long ways, it is almost, not quite, but almost the exact same width. So you would get almost the exact same formation, I guess is what I'm trying to say, by freezing in the by freezing a half cup in the 1 cup tray. And I also love how the silicone itself is very, very thick. So it's very, very sturdy. It's not flimsy. When I push it in, it bounces almost right back to its original form there. And so it makes pushing things out of the tray after you've frozen them very easy. I have no problems with my things sliding right out to put in freezer bags. Now, the shape that these actually freeze in are very good for stacking, whether you're doing like a freezer bag or if you're doing something like vacuum sealing your meat. But the cubes do make it very easy to kind of stack and file in your freezer. And the trays themselves stack very nicely on top of each other in your freezer as well. So if you're looking for a very high quality freezer cube tray, I highly recommend giving these a try.